Alaikum. Good morning class. Miss Zareen is here. We are starting chapter number 1 of computer for class 9. Today we will discuss about the introduction of computer from book page number 1. In this chapter we will discuss about the definition of computer, software, hardware, capabilities of computer. First we discuss about the definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device that can process data at an amazingly fast speed and produce accurate results. In other words, we can say that the computer is an electronic device that accepts data and instruction in the form of program as input, process the data according to the given instruction and produce information as output. Now hardware. The physical or tangible component forming a computer are called hardware. Hardware is a collective term. It includes not only the computer but also the cables, connectors, power supply unit and the peripheral devices. Keyboard, mouse, audio speakers and printers are the example of hardware. Now software. Software refers to the program that instructs the computer what to do. Software makes the computer useful. It refers to the non-physical elements of a computer system. Windows, Visual Basic, Norton Antivirus, MS Word, MS Excel are the example of software. Now capabilities of computer. Capabilities of computer means how much work done by a computer. In capabilities of computer, we discuss about the speed. A computer can process data faster than any other machine designed to perform a similar task. Second, repetition. A computer can perform tireless work, the same operations millions of times in exactly the same way without getting bored and tired. Accuracy. A computer's high speed processing is accompanied by the high accuracy result. No other system can have much accuracy as a computer system. Now, logical operations. The computer can make decisions based on the some conditions and take alternative course of action accordingly. Stores and recall information. The computer is like a human brain as it can store facts, instruction and information and recall them when needed. Self-checking. The computer verifies the accuracy of its own work by means of parity check. Last one, self-operating. Once the data and the program are fed into the computer's memory, the computer is capable of executing the instruction on its own without human intervention. Thanks. In next lecture, we will discuss about the limitations of computer, history and development of computer.